Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a subscriber. It's nice to see you again. Today's video is on my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of October. I'm super excited because it came in the mail today really early. I usually get it like the last week or so of the month. I have lots of Boxycharm unboxings on my channel. I have a full playlist, so I'll link it underneath. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that you pay $21 a month, and you get between 4 to 5 full-size products in your box every month. I've been subscribed for almost a year, and I'm super happy with it. I find it's really great for the price. You get a lot for your money, so I've really been loving it. And the theme this month is alter ego, which looks cool. It looks like kind of Halloween-y, so I'm excited about that. I'm not going to open it up just yet because I don't want to see the products yet, so we'll go through it. I'll link it, Boxycharm, down below if you want to get your own box. I think you get a Dr. Brandt scrub or something if you sign up this month, but I'll link it underneath if you're interested. So the first thing I see in my box is this Movia lace appeal with compression technology black bamboo charcoal peel off mask, and there's 2 masks in here, and the peel intensity level is medium. So this retails for $30. I love getting skincare and masks, so I'm super happy about that. So I can't wait to try these. I actually haven't tried that many peel off masks because I find some of them really hurt, but we'll try this one and see. The Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. If you guys like monthly subscription box unboxings, and especially Boxycharm unboxings, please like this video so I know, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new videos weekly. I'm just going to try and open this box. So this is what the palette looks like, and these are the colors. So you've got two cheek colors, a bronzer, and a highlight here on this side, and then on this side you have 6 shadows colors for it. So it's a pretty good size palette. Again, it's full size, and it retails for $38, so I'm happy to get that. The next thing I am super excited about is this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. It's full size. It says Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I've heard really good things about this, and this retails for $24, and I love mascara. I wear it all the time. And I love It Cosmetics. Everything that I've tried from them really worked for me, so I'm super excited to try this. So I'll try it and let you guys know. I'm really excited about that. The thing that I really love about Boxycharm is that they include brands that are well known and that you'd buy at like Sephora or Ulta, and products you'd be excited to get. That's what I love so much, because in some subscription things you just kind of get things that no one's heard of and stuff, and this one they're really relevant brands. So the next thing that I got is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Hawkwind. So we'll open it up and see. This is the color. It's like a brownish nude. I'm just gonna swatch it. It has a very light smell. Ooh, this is pretty. So that's the color there. So this is like a brownish nude. I'll try it. I hope it's not too dark for my skin tone, but I could probably wear it for fall. So I'm really excited about this. Again, full size. And this retails for $20. So again, I paid $21 and got all this product. Like, it's such a good deal. It's something that, it's a subscription box that I'm really excited to get every month because I know I'm going to get my value or more. And the last thing I got, I'm so excited about too. I got this Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy. I actually just bought this on the Sephora sale because I wanted it so bad. So now I have another one. I've already tried it and I know I really like it, and it takes all of your makeup off. Smells so good too. And it's one of the clean products at Sephora, so it's more on the natural side. So I love this. Who doesn't need a good makeup remover? And this one works really well. So I'm super excited about this. So, and this retails for $22. So that's everything that I got in my box. My favorite things in this box are definitely the mascara and this cleanser. And I'm also really excited about these two. The palette's probably the least exciting for me, just these colors don't really scream to me or anything. Like, I'm not that excited about them. They're not really tones that I love, but I'll try it and let you guys know. And again, it's a huge palette with cheek and eye products, so you can't really complain about that. So that's everything I got in my box. I'll link it underneath if you want to get your own Boxycharm box. Please comment below, what did you guys think of this month's box? And what did you get in your box this month? Because I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day and you're enjoying your fall. Bye! And please don't forget to like this video if you like it and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon in my next video.